All right, it's Friday, November 2nd, 5:28 a.m. Um, Today is non-farm payroll day, which comes out in about, I don't know, less than 2 minutes. Treasuries and bonds are already severely down overnight. Equities have rallied pretty well. Last few days have rallied on very low volume. We're just going to sit back and watch. Man, you can look at this. It's just like shot higher on nothing. Look at that, 600, 700, 38. And then it just went sideways. But, I'm interested to see what happens. I'm just going to sit back and watch for probably the first at least half an hour till 6 and see if this thing calms down, and then maybe if I see something, I don't know. Anyway, enjoy. Estimated was 190, actual's 250. Unemployment rate stays at 3.7%. That was absorption of backtaking right there. It could be a lure as well. Looks like we missed it. I don't know if I trust this response at this point. Just so late in this little move. Could turn any second. This thing will just continue higher. Alright, let's see what happens. I think we gotta be quick to pull this off. Didn't really want to pay up for that, but come on, go, go, go. Okay, good, take it. Beef up. This needs to pull harder. Keep going. Come on. Good, 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 good. Pull, pull. Keep going. Fucking ES is softening. Come on, catch a bid, you fuck. I don't really know if this is gonna work. God damn it. Keep selling it. Let's go. Should have tried to pull a tick out of this thing at least. I definitely could have had a tick, I think. 3,400 traded down. Just expecting a little bit more of a push. Fuck, come on. Start making new lows. I'm going to have to fight to scratch this fucker. There we go. Caught a bid. Nice. Let's go. Push it all the way down. Pulling good. I've already got 2 ticks over here. 30-year is pretty muted. Come on, only 9. Let's go. Start fucking hitting that bid. Only 11. You can easily give me 2 more ticks out of this. Let's go. It's still pulling off. 20. Here we go. Look at that. Pull that. Get it. Fell down at only 700, 600 contracts. That means there's no buying there. Let's get shit off right there. Don't expect this to sell through. Oof. Thought they were going to absorb that. Okay, I got 2 ticks out of that one. Here's the back tick. Didn't take it though, didn't take it out. Looks like sellers are kind of absorbing all that. Okay, I paid up. Hope I don't regret that. Well, I'm absorbing all this come on, take that out. Damn. There we go, come on. I don't know if I should scratch this thing or not. At some point, buyers are just going to have to give up and let this thing go. Shit. Fucking 5-year went through. Only 1,200 in the queue. Let's go. Still absorbing it. Should have waited to get in down here. And there's no way I'll be able to scratch this now. I think I'd be okay taking a loss on this one, just because it's kind of a 50-50 shot, see who gives out here. Alright, so 5-year ticked back up. It's gone bid. 30 years back ticked. Take that back, it's gone. Yeah, I should try to work a scratch. Look at that, Jesus. What did I tell you? They're just not letting this thing go higher. That was pretty impressive, though. Didn't even flinch off that level. Part of me just wants to let this play out just for like... I should be more conservative, though. So in the future, don't pay up. Get filled where the absorption's happening. Let it come to you. If you miss it, you miss it. You don't have to sit through all this anxiety. All right, let's see what kind of push we can get higher. Might have to sit through a little bit of chop. Trying to get ES to go lower. Definitely gonna move this up. Just watch as this bounces around a little bit, see what happens to our bid over here. It's kind of softening a little bit. It's softening a lot. I haven't even hit down into it barely. Okay, we got a couple tick bounce up. Now a little pullback. If we're gonna push, now would be the time. All right, let's go. This needs to go. That's pulling off. That should go. That's pulling off. This should go too. Just beef it up. People are trying the double bottom in the ES. See if that works. Doesn't look good so far. Didn't quite pop it. There we go. I got a new low. Let's see what kind of reaction we get. They're pulling off. Only a couple ticks. Buyers are stepping in. Ah! Oh well. Looks like they might defend it. Be good for a short. Bids are pulling off. I don't like clicking in, but sometimes that's the only way you're going to get a fill, because I'm 1200 in the queue. I don't really see. Oh, maybe not. But you see how you had 1500 hit up into that 16, and it hasn't flinched yet. It's a good sign. This might only be good for 2 ticks, if at all. The fact that we popped through the low, but we shot up pretty quickly, tells me that they're willing to take that out, and but it only traded 144. So we'll see if they hold this level again, or if they got their fill, if we get down there. I think I'm going to be quick to pull this off if it just doesn't get going. Really don't like these continuation trades. But the bounce we got off this low last time was really promising. Oh, shit. It looked like we were going to get a similar bounce, so I took that trade off. Let's see if we can still try to work the scratch. Fuck. I really don't like these continuation trades like this. Or the pullback to break out. They just make me fucking nervous. Come on, bid it up, fuckers. Come on. Come on. Alright, start fucking hitting the bid. Let's go. Any day now. Any fucking day now. Come on. Only 38's traded down so far. Alright, so it's pulling off, even though nothing's hitting down yet. There we go. 2,000, 3,000 over here on the offer. That's good beef. Immediately start hitting the bid. I'll just keep an eye on this guy. Okay, 5 years at the low. So's the 30-year. See if they push through. So far, no dice. But 3,700 hit up into that offer and it's still holding. 4,300. It's alright, I'll pull that off. I don't care. One tick is fine. I don't like those continuation trades anyway. Make me nervous, man. I mean, ES is getting crushed, so I don't know why this thing isn't just vaulting higher. Looks like sellers absorbing all the buying right there. Ah. Just counting on the ES selling down a little bit more. Don't really like how they push through this low so easily. Only one trades up. Come on. Okay, there you go. 5 years up. Okay, here we go. See if we can get a push here. I almost took that off. I'm glad I pulled it because I can't be taking one ticks all the time. So we need this to sell back to 27.24. That's the open. That's the current low, pit low, overnight low. Talking about the ES. Whoops. Five years ticking up. 5 years at that level. Where it's been kind of pausing all morning. Actually, so is the 10-year. So this might be the place to take it off if we don't get another push lower in the ES. If the 10-year can break through this level, we can see a little mini stop run, I think. So basically been trading this level for all morning, since about 6 a.m. Since 6 a.m. this has been resistance. There we go. Easily popped up another tick. It's pulling off. The 5 years getting up into through that profile step. Trying to hit back down, but it didn't relent. Don't like how that pulled off already. There you go. Get out of there. Get. Again, this is kind of the level where it sold back before. 5 years. 5 year needs to push through. This is kind of where we can expect a lot of resistance. But based on the weakness in the ES, I wouldn't be surprised if this pushed through. They're already pulling off. Let's come a bit over here. Need some more size to just lift that offer. Right, this is where we'd see kind of that stop run. Here we go. So I'm looking at a chart now, and this is right. 11 is right where we've ticked into that several times, but we've always sold down, so this has always acted as resistance. All right, 5 years pushing up, 30 years pushing up. I think we take this off at like 12 if we get up there. Let's see. I'm okay with that.